Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manually steer in all the axes on Bambu Lab A1. To manually steer your nozzle, you need to go to Control, then go to XYZ, and now you may need to first home it. So it'll go to its home position first. And now as it's homed, you can just steer it. So if you need for it, like to, for example, go up, it's gonna be the Z-axis. You can of course do it all. Okay, this is as high as I can go, I believe. No, actually I can go higher. So let's go as high as we can. Now I'm gonna move the table to the front. And you can, for example, take the plate off in case you need. So you can clean it and put it back on. It is pretty hard to put it back on, so I kind of regret that I've taken it out. But okay, I think it has aligned itself perfectly even. So now I can home it again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.